Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit the notification bell. So we face Bechem United tomorrow after our return from Algeria. We are told that we are playing Bechem United on Thursday, that's tomorrow. You know, a lot of fans have been complaining about the fixtures and how it is too tight considering the fact that we're playing House of Oak on Sunday. People feel that the fixtures are too tight for Asante Kotoko. After that we play King Faisal and it's just tiring. But I think we just have to cope. I think this is an opportunity to give other players the chance to play. So I'm expecting a lot of rotation against Bechem United. I'm expecting to have Adams, Habib Mohamed, even the defender we bought that hasn't featured in any game, Andrews Apau. I'm expecting him to feature in that game. I'm hoping to see him play because I haven't seen him play. I'm hoping to see him in that game. And Asma is back from injury, so it's going to be very interesting to see how Johnson Smith. It's going to be interesting to see how Johnson Smith line up the boys against Bechem United. There were reports that Osman Ibrahim is back from injury, but I have not seen him in the training pictures that have been posted online. I don't know if he's back from injury because we really need him back as soon as possible because Nabi Keita and Kwame Poku partnership hasn't been working well so far. So hopefully Osman Ibrahim comes back. Augustine Okra didn't travel for our trip against Satif in Algeria, so I'm hoping to see him start. I'm also hoping to see Godfrey Esiema start. Also, Edom Frimpong came out from injury and was involved in a game in Algeria against Satif. I'm also expecting him to play that game. Then for the wings, Christopher Nate, I think they might give him a rest considering the fact we have us on Sunday. So Samuel Frimpong might be at the right back position against Bechem United tomorrow. It's going to be an interesting game. The last time we played Bechem United was 3-1 at the Accra Sports Stadium. That emphatic win that night in Accra. I'm hoping we do the same when we play them tomorrow. It's going to be very difficult, yes, because of the rotation and the players that haven't seen a lot of games like Wahab Adams, Augustine Okra, Habib Mohamed, who again? Godfrey Esiema and others. They will be involved in that game. I'm hoping they are, because if Johnson Smith decides to maintain the team and doesn't want to rotate, it's going to cause us problems against House of Oak. And that game is one of the, even if not for just the 3 points, we just need to beat House of Oak. We just really need to beat House of Oak. I'm telling you, because you know the fans they don't want to accept the fact that they are now living in the past glory. House of Oak is a finished club. It's just a club that should be a mid-table club. House of Oak is not one of the biggest club in Ghana anymore. That was in the past. They are living off their past glory. Right now they are shambles and not a good team. Yes, quote me anyway, House of Oak are not a good team. So the highest mid-table team, House of Oak are not a big team. So we need to beat them on Sunday and show them that we are the best team in Ghana. So that is why I'm expecting Johnson Smith to rotate against Bechem United tomorrow. I keep saying Johnson Smith, should be Abdul Ghazel, sorry. But in the touchline, it was Johnson Smith that was in the touchline against Satif. Maybe Abdul Ghazel is the coach on paper, Johnson Smith is the coach on the touchline. So it all makes sense. Yeah, we need a win. Seriously, we need this win. We need this win because our two outstanding games, the one against House of Oak and King Faisal, we also need to win that to go top of the table. So if we win this game against Bechem United, we win the one against House of Oak, we win the one against King Faisal, we are going back to the top of the table. We just hope that Wafa do us the needful and beat Kerala United at Soga Cup today when they face each other. So I'm hoping things turn well for Kotoko because we put an impressive performance this season and we just need to take our chances and secure our position on the top of the table till the end of the season and win the Ghana Premier League. I would like to know your thoughts on the game. Do you think Johnson Smith should rotate? Do you think Abdul Ghazel and Johnson Smith should rotate the team because of the House of Oak game? Or do you think we should maintain it and also maybe play the same team against House of Oak? That's if the players are not fatigued. I would like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed to that right now, and click the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.
Justice Blay. Good play from Blay. Poku Mensah. Good attempt from Mensah. Lovely save from Prince Asempa. Kotoko, that was a good ball in. Goalkeeper had to step off his line and get something on it. Bechem United are up by 1-0. Hafiz Konkoni has put Bechem United ahead just against the round of play. So much this season. And this is so important. Take a look at that throw in here. Kotoko so slow to step out of the blocks. A ball to the far post. Augustus Sefer nowhere near in the picture. Headed back and Hafiz Konkoni just had one job. Good play from Sefer. Sends a teasing cross inside. Opokumensa's header just over the top. But that's impressive from Asante Kotoko. Oh, absolutely. He's free. Nobody close to him. Nobody giving him any sort of pressure. Okra kills one dip inside. Handball, penalty. Bechem in protestation from Bechem United. Kotoko have a penalty. Handball anywhere. Assistant referee is asking to have a word with the referee. Will this be overturned? Wow. Will this be overturned? It doesn't look like it was a handball. So he says, the assistant referee, great referee by there. Yes, great decision overturned. Nobody was closing in, but there again is the handball incident. And what could have been a penalty and what should it have? But quite clearly from here, Nana, no penalty. Gently, all alone, tracked back by Asante. Here is Imoro Ibrahim. Moro sends a good cross. Asempa, equalizer. Asante Kotoko just by the goalkeeper that Prince Asempa. Should have been doing better. Get a stronger hand onto it. He doesn't. And it falls kindly to Martin Entry, who was never going to miss from this range. A lovely tap from there. And Kotoko has restored parity. 1-0. Very powerful. There you see it. Lovely strike there. Asempa does well to get onto it. And that's well also to react to put off William Opoku. Blay. Gentry is up against Randolph. Brilliant throw, Gentry sends the cross in. Headed away, timely by Gentry. Was trying to go for the step over. And there, just beats his man with that lovely skill and a very cheeky cross into the far post. Atanyama just aware of his surroundings in contest, but with the benefit that we haven't seen it again, it looks like a foul in that play. Lovely pass from Justice Blade to Imoro. Imoro sends a decent cross in. Again, Kotoko. They get a second goal. Most kindly to Okra, who only had one task I should say. Tap it home. Make it count for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Atanyama goes for the grounder. Kenny Paddy's whistle goal. First half over. Kumasi Asante Kotoko from a goal down 5 meters. Moro! Strike. Just look at how he took it. That's magnificent. Up and over the one. The goalkeeper, Prince Asempa, had absolutely no answers to that. Right into the